Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of our closest celestial neighbor, the Moon. It's been the subject of countless myths, legends, and scientific inquiries. But how much do you know about the Moon? Get ready to be amazed by these incredible facts. The Moon, our constant companion in the vast cosmic ballet, holds the distinction of being Earth's only natural satellite. It formed billions of years ago, likely from a cataclysmic collision between a young Earth and a Mars-sized object. The debris from this cosmic smash-up eventually coalesced to form the Moon. The Moon's gravitational pull stabilizes Earth's axial tilt, preventing drastic climate swings. Without it, our planet would be a very different place, perhaps even inhospitable to life as we know it. So, yeah, the Moon being our only natural satellite is kind of a big deal. Here's a fact that might blow your mind. The Moon is slowly but surely drifting away from us. Every year, the Moon moves about 1.5 inches, or 3.8 centimeters, farther away from Earth. This separation is due to the intricate gravitational dance between the two celestial bodies. As the Moon orbits Earth, its gravity pulls on our planet's oceans, creating tides. This tidal interaction transfers energy from Earth's rotation to the Moon's orbit, causing it to spiral outward over time. Don't worry though, it's not going anywhere fast. We often think of earthquakes as an Earth-exclusive phenomenon, but did you know that the Moon has its own version of seismic activity? That's right, moonquakes! The gravitational pull of Earth, the cooling and contraction of the Moon's interior, and even meteorite impacts can all trigger these lunar rumbles. Seismometers left on the Moon by Apollo astronauts have revealed that moonquakes can last much longer than earthquakes, sometimes rumbling on for hours at a time. Imagine the lunar surface vibrating like a giant gong. That's a moonquake in action. Picture this. You're standing on the lunar surface, gazing up at the stark beauty of the cosmos. The silence is deafening, broken only by the whirring of your spacesuit's life support system. Why the eerie silence? Well, for one thing, there's no air to carry sound waves. This lack of a protective atmospheric blanket has some pretty dramatic consequences. Without an atmosphere to regulate heat, the lunar surface bakes in the scorching sunlight, reaching temperatures hotter than boiling water. But as soon as the sun sets, the temperature plummets to hundreds of degrees below freezing. Have you ever looked up at the Moon and noticed its pockmarked surface, covered in countless craters? These craters tell stories of violent impacts over billions of years. Without an atmosphere, the Moon is vulnerable to space debris. The South Pole Aitken Basin is one of the largest craters in the solar system. Studying these craters helps scientists understand the history of cosmic bombardment. For a long time, the Moon was considered to be a bone-dry, desolate world. But in a discovery that sent ripples of excitement through the scientific community, we learned that the Moon harbors a secret water ice. This lunar water isn't found in vast oceans or flowing rivers, mind you. Instead, it's hidden away as ice, tucked away in permanently shadowed craters at the Moon's poles. The discovery of lunar water ice has opened up a world of possibilities for future lunar missions. The tide's rhythmic rise and fall is as predictable as the Moon itself. The Moon's gravitational pull tugs at Earth, causing the oceans to bulge outward. As Earth rotates, these bulges create high and low tides. Next time you're at the beach, remember the Moon's gravitational embrace. The Moon's lack of atmosphere leads to extreme temperature swings. Temperatures soar to 253 degrees Fahrenheit in the day and plummet to minus 243 degrees at night. These extremes challenge lunar exploration. Yet, human ingenuity has designed probes and rovers to survive. On July 20th, 1969, the world watched in awe as humankind achieved what was once thought impossible, landing humans on the Moon. The Apollo 11 mission, a triumph of human ingenuity, courage, and determination, marked a pivotal moment in our exploration of the cosmos. Neil Armstrong's now iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," echoed across the globe as he became the first human to set foot on another celestial body. The Apollo missions weren't just about planting a flag, though. They were about pushing the boundaries of human knowledge, inspiring future generations of scientists and explorers. Have you ever noticed how the moon seems to change shape from night to night, waxing and waning in a celestial dance of light and shadow? These ever-shifting appearances are known as lunar phases. When the moon is positioned between Earth and the sun, its illuminated side faces away from us, rendering it invisible. As the moon continues its orbit, a sliver of its illuminated hemisphere becomes visible, creating the waxing crescent moon. The illuminated portion grows larger each night, progressing through the first quarter, waxing gibbous, and finally the full moon phase. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning these amazing facts about the moon, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more fascinating content. The moon, with its ancient craters, hidden water ice, and gravitational influence, continues to captivate our imagination. So, the next time you gaze up at the night sky, take a moment to appreciate our celestial companion and all that it represents. See you next time.